Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether USDT from your Metamask wallet straight to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly, so you can get it done in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed on your browser and that your Tether is on the correct network, typically Ethereum. If it's not, switch networks in Metamask by clicking the network dropdown and selecting Ethereum. Double-check your Tether balance to ensure you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Next, head over to the Bitmart website and log into your account. Go to the deposit section and select Tether USDT as the asset. You'll see a unique deposit address. Copy that carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Now, switch back to Metamask. Click on the Tether token in your wallet, then hit Send. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details, including gas fees. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. In 2025, with evolving blockchain tech, always check for any network updates or additional security steps on both Metamask and Bitmart. Once you're good, hit Send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, keep an eye on your Bitmart account. Once the Tether arrives, you can trade or withdraw it further. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always double-check to avoid costly mistakes. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.